Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis. Let's come to the point. Finally, Nifty sustained near 14,600. So for now, if it sustained above 14,680 to 750, then most likely it move for 15,000 plus zone. Otherwise, below 14,500, it will comes down for 14,200 for reverse. Let's come to Nifty chart. After resist from near 14,750, it comes down below 14,600. So for now, as per chart formation, above 14,680 to 750, most likely it move for 15,000 plus zone. Otherwise, it comes down till 14,200 for reverse again. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed above 32,000. So for now, above 32,200 to 500, it will try to move for 33,000 plus zone. Otherwise, below 32,200, it will reverse from 31,900 reversal support. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty comes down from near 33,000 to 32,000. So for now, above 32,200, 32,500 zone, it's most likely move for 33,000 plus zone. Otherwise, below 32,200, it will try to reverse from 31,900. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading opportunity for index future. That's our. For Nifty future, there is a crucial resistance for Nifty future that 14,900. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that's are 14,686 and 14,800. There is a crucial support for Nifty future also, that 14,265. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's are 14,489 and 14,350. There is a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future also, that 32,789. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that's are 32,472 and 32,672. There is a crucial support for Bank Nifty future also, that 31,565. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's are 32,019 and 31,786. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading stocks with trading range and midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? Let me explain. If a stock sustains above its midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for its higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustains below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for its reversal support with resistance as midpoint. Solara, that LTP is 1290. Its upper range is 1430 and lower range is 1220. So if it sustained above its midpoint, that 1325 with increases volume, then most likely it move for its upper range or upper resistance, that 1430. Same as if it sustained below its midpoint, that 1325 with increases volume, then most likely it reverses from its lower range or lower reversal support, that 1220. And when it reverse from its lower range or lower reversal support, then midpoint act as its recent resistance to achieve. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint with LTP for intraday trading. Solara, that LTP is 1290. Supreme Petro, that LTP is 414. Bajaj Finance, that LTP is 5118. HDFC Bank, that LTP is 1474. ICICI Bank, that LTP is 552. Infosys, that LTP is 1339. Reliance, that LTP is 2099. Coromandel, that LTP is 852. Coromandel was in my last list, which provide on yesterday. Adani Green, that LTP is 1048. Basaf, that LTP is 1669. And Apollo Tubes, that LTP is 963. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. Red star mark stocks are more important for intraday trading. If you have any kind of query about my channel, you can mail me on my mail ID, that trade.mathematics@gmail.com is my mail ID. or you can join my Telegram channel, that link given below in video description. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for